Hey guys, here's a video for NXPEAK car diagnostic scanner. It's all system car diagnostic tablet, which is named K1. It's a 10.1 inch tablet with the back camera and a stand, and also here's some buttons for the tablet, and we got the Type C. So also inside here is the Android 7.0. Also you have all this software installed, so I'm gonna show you one by one later about how this is gonna work. And we have one user manual which have around 5 languages, which is step by step about how to register. Here we got the activation card for your product. We got the K1 VCI for NEXPEAK, and here's the charger. There are 4 options. And here's the Type C USB cable. So I'm gonna show you on this Lexus 270 and step by step about how this works. So the first step to use this scanner is to plug this one into your OBD2 socket, which is underneath the driving wheel, and you will see there are 2 lights gonna show red and the blue, which means the Bluetooth is open. So after you plug your VCI to your vehicles, you can just go to your software, which is NEXPEAK pre-installed, and you have the Bluetooth automatically connected. That's very convenient. You can switch your languages, you can check the system information. You can also, here you can see this upgrade function. And also inside the App Store, you can upgrade your car diagnostic software. Let's go to the car diagnostics, and you have all this software. There are total 85 software that are supported. So go to the Europe. You can just slide from left to right. Slide from Asia, and also from China. Also Australia, and there's a function for the OBD2. So I'm running this diagnostic on the Lexus. It's a Lexus 270. So I'm gonna show you step by step about how we're gonna use this diagnostic too. So it's from Japan. You can use these selected vehicles to input information one by one, or you can just use the auto scan the vehicle VIN code. So you already read the information, which is RX270, and all this information is correct. You have only input one option. So this is a 2014 Lexus. So all this information are filled. Just click on next. So it will connect the ECU. So here we already enter the diagnostic interface. We have a diagnostic. You can do some customized settings, which is what we call the coding. So inside the diagnostic, you have powertrain, chassis, and body, and also there's a quick tag functions. We can see what inside the powertrain. We got the engine, crushes control, or there's a ECT. So you can click on all these systems, and it will tell you about all this information about how to do that. And we're going to show you all these systems that are supported by the Diagnostic 2. Here's the body. So inside here we have all this information like the mirror and the left and the right drive seats. So you can directly read the travel codes, or you can do the activate tags, which is very easy to diagnostics. It's very fast one. And also you have all this system that are supported. There's also, you can do a quick test. So it will scan the system that are supported by the vehicles. So here we have scanned all the systems, which has total 26 ECUs that supported. So you can click on each option to enter the ECU to see what fault code you're gonna have. So you can do some active tests. You can active the mirror heater or the footlight or the mirror fault, or you can do this function. This is very easy. You can print this report or save this report. That's very easy to diagnostic. So inside here we're gonna have some customized settings for Lexus. So all this is coding functions, like you can activate all the sensors and the like the seat functions, smart key, access. So this is features for this NXPEAK K1.